Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How to create a user in ServiceNow. So first and foremost thing, we need to log in with the admin credentials, as because the user who is having the admin role can create the user in ServiceNow. So first we need to log in with admin credentials and navigate to sys_user.list. This is one type of navigation to create a user. So another one is, we will be having an users. So you can click on user administration and you need to click on the users so that you can also navigate to this page, or else you can also navigate to this page. If you are clicking on capital list, it will navigate to the new tab. So just try to create a new user. Just click on new. So give the user ID in the sense the one who has giving the credentials. So let's take for example, if you are logging into any of the IRCTC or any other platforms, you will only give like your name imran@gmail.com, right? So you will just create one user ID to log into the account. So in the same way, we will be having a user ID. In the user ID, we need to give one appropriate name like this. Then you please try to give the first name and last name and just try to click on save. So if you are clicked on save, the user got created. So now if you see here, he don't have any roles for it, he don't have anything else. The user who doesn't have any roles, he is known as an end user. So now let's try to log in with this user. We have been created a user, but we need to log in with this particular user, right? So now you just first and foremost thing, as an administrator, I need to set a password to this user. So that's why we need to click on set password. So we need to generate the password, and once if we got the generation of password, so what we need to click on is we need to copy the password and save the password. As soon as you save the password, there is an option with the name of password needs reset over here. This is by default is selecting. Why? Because the password sharing is very zero tolerance issues. So we will won't share our password. As an administrator as well, he should not have the access to the password. Now just try to log out. And what is the username which we have created? We have created JPS ServiceNow is our username which we have been given, and the password, generated password, you need to paste it over here and then just try to click on login. So as I said, the user should have privileges to change the password. Why? Because the admin knows this password. So this is not recommended to share the password. So you just need to change the password and then log in. Give the same password as new password and the confirm password and just try to click on submit. So as soon as you click on submit, this is the interface which we can get it. So as you can see, this is known as the left navigator. So if you want to make some new enhancements, you can click on close for it. So for now, so you can see here, this is the user where I have got created. This is a user who can log into the account. So I just created the user, but I haven't have any role for it. So let's take for example, I just wanted to see the records which was created by other users. So as you can see here, they don't have any of the records over here. And if you click on incident over there, so we don't have any other modules apart from these two, right? So in the past, we will be having multiple modules. If administration has been logged in, he has multiple modules, but we just created the user, but we haven't assigned any role to him. So that's why now in this creation of user only, we can cover another topic with the name of role. Just try to give a role. Again, we need to log in with the admin credentials. So I have been logged in with the admin credentials right now. And again, go to the users, come down, user administration, click on this. The created account will get down. This is a thing which I have been created right away. So if you come down to the bottom of the page, there is an option with the name of roles. Just click on it and edit it and give the admin role to this particular user. and then click on save. As soon as you click on save, the admin credentials will be, admin role has been assigned to this particular user. So just click on logout and just try to click on login again with the user which we have been created. Just click on OK. As you can see here, in the past we are having only 3 modules. If you see here, now you can see here. If you click on incident, so you can see here these many modules we are having now. If you click on all, you can see all these records. Yeah, this is all about creation of user as well as assigning a role to the particular user in ServiceNow. So yeah, for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, JPS ServiceNow trainings and placements. Thank you so much for your valuable